Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Kuhn, one of the editors of Game & Fish magazine, and welcome to B&W's Tow Ready in 2. As you can imagine, I spend a lot of time every year out on the road, pulling boats, campers, ATVs, and the occasional utility trailer. And what I've come to realize is towing is very serious business. You've got thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars of gear right behind you. In this video series, we'll present you with several aspects of pulling a trailer safely and hopefully give you more enjoyment out of your next pull. You know, getting your boat ready to trailer is a really simple process, but a lot of times we get in a big hurry, especially fishermen, because you know as well as I do, they're jumping in the boat, and we got to get out there before anybody else gets out there. And we forget to do simple things that cost us when we get out on the highway. Develop a system where you check things and start at the front and move towards the back. Most simply, check to make sure the trailer tongue or the coupler is on the ball and it's latched. If it's on the ball and latched, make sure the pin, the safety pin, or the lock is installed. Next, make sure your safety chains are connected and crossed. Make sure that your lights are installed and they work. Moving towards the back, check your winch. Is it connected to the bow of the boat? If it's connected, is the safety chain connected and tight? Moving towards the back. Fishing rods, these cannot lay on the deck. You've got to put them in a rod locker. They got to go on the bottom of the boat, somewhere where they don't bounce out. Tackle boxes also. Tackle boxes and ice chests. You see them on the side of the road all the time. You say, where in the world do all those come from? They come out of boats. Put them away. Storage cabinets or the lockers. Make sure that you close them and latch them. Life preservers. See those on the highway all the time also. They're coming out flying out of boats. Secure those. Moving towards the back, check your tires. Are they inflated? Is there any grease around the hubs? If there's grease around the hubs, you've got a problem. Check your bearings. Moving towards the back. Two most expensive things on a trailer are the boat and the outboard. Make sure the outboard is tilted up. And if you use a motor toter, make sure it's installed. The last thing you want to do is drag that motor down the road. And rest assured, you won't drag it very far. And lastly, check for the safety straps. Make sure they're secure, just like these aren't, okay? It's a good thing I checked back here. They're not installed. If I would have gone down the road, the boat would possibly bounce off the trailer. Get yourself a checklist, develop it in your mind, and check the boat every time you go out, from up in the front to the back. It'll make you a lot happier once you get to the lake. B&W designs and manufactures a complete line of trailering accessories, and I count on them for my trailering chores. We hope we provided you with some good information in these videos and ask that you would watch the others in the series to help you get more out of your trailering experience.